Hello everyone, welcome to Kickstart. Now we will write a program to determine if the given year is a leap year or not. So firstly, int year. Then we will ask a user to input the year for us. Cout, enter the year, and then to execute the later part of the code from the next line. Now cin operator year. So now before starting the code, let's discuss when a year is a leap year. So first condition is the year should be divisible by 4. Second condition is the year must not be divisible by 100 because all numbers divisible by 100 are not leap years. Third condition is if the number is divisible by 100, it should be divisible by 400 for that particular number to be a leap year. Let's see it with nested if else statement, and after this I will give you a short trick to find this too. So if the year is divisible by 4, we will use the modulo operator to find the divisibility. If the year is divisible by 100 and if the year is divisible by 400. Yeah. Okay, so if the year is divisible by 400, we will print that it is a leap year. Leap year. And if it is not divisible by 400, we will print else not a leap year. Not a leap year. So this condition is valid for this too. If the year is divisible by 100, it is not a leap year, as I told you before the start of the code. So if it is not divisible by 100, then it is a leap year. So else it will be a clubbed of these two conditions. Okay, divisible by 100 and divisible by 400. Else we will print it is a leap year. And this condition is valid for this too. If the year is divisible by 100, it is a leap year, or else it is not a leap year. Not a leap year. And done. Okay, so now let's check our code. Let's check for the year my sister was born, 2004, a leap year. Now I'll give you this short trick to find out if the number is leap year or not. So for that we have the user to enter the year. Now we will just use the if else statement. So if the year is divisible by 4 and an operator, the year is not divisible by 100. Now the or operator, the year is divisible by 400. Now then we will print leap year. Okay, or else we will print not a leap year. Let's check our code. Let's enter the same year, 2004. It is a leap year. Thank you.